Hello there. Since this video is going on my YouTube channel, I cannot use the Kiss music on YouTube. I can use it here, but I'm transferring this video to my YouTube channel because this year's Christmas theme is Kissmas, and I want to place it on my DIY YouTube channel to show people what I'm doing to create my own decorations. Now, the foam head was purchased at Walmart's and it already had a hole in the mouth. So we decided this one would be Gene Simmons because I have to place a tongue by that hole to cover it anyways. My granddaughter painted and primed the face and then she handed it over to me. And now I'm going to use some air clay that I purchased from Amazon to create a tongue. I will first probably draw out a pattern to get the width and the length of the tongue and then sculpt it with the clay. After I do that, I have to wait a day or two for the tongue to dry. And this is a long process, so that's why I'm starting in September. We have 3 more to go, and these will be placed in a black Christmas tree. I am searching for a black Christmas tree right now, and these heads become picks. I will use dowels to stick them in the tree. I am also looking for more ornaments to make, not just have the 4 heads sticking in the tree, and I'm not sure what I'm going to go with. The possibility of finding some old 45 Kiss records on eBay was an idea that went through my mind. I might still do it because I still have time, but I'm not sure if that's the next idea I'll do with ornaments using the old 45s, or I just create some more ornaments. But we'll see. As we go along here, you notice that I'm using the black tinsel from the witch's hat that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I used the witch's hat frame for many, many other projects, and they are on my TikTok profile, so check them out if you're interested. And here he is. A couple days later, his tongue was dry, and then I painted it red. And now I add some of the studded ribbon around his neck. And I think he's about ready. I am going to search for some Santa hats for each of the 4 heads. I might just not give him a hat, but maybe some reindeer ears because I do like his hair, his man bun. So we'll see. Thank you for stopping in. See you on YouTube.